If you're involved in recruitment and still baffled by DBS checks, this is your crash course. Today, we're diving into DBS checks, your golden ticket to safer hiring. A DBS check is a must for roles involving children or vulnerable adults. It reveals an individual's criminal history, helping you make informed decisions. There are 4 types: basic, standard, enhanced, and enhanced with barred lists. Each reveals different levels of information, from unspent convictions to comprehensive criminal records. Our CPD-Accredited DBS certificate course simplifies these complexities. You'll learn about the different checks, legal frameworks, and practical tips for applying them. Perfect for HR pros, business owners, and anyone working with vulnerable groups. This course equips you with the know-how to stay compliant and protect those who need it most. So, ready to unlock the secrets of DBS checks? Enroll today and make safer hiring choices tomorrow.